Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. On my table today, I'll be preparing some local Cameroon snacks, mashed fried plantains with tomato dips alongside with pork neck. So in here you can see my sea salt, bouillon, and for my tomato dip sauce, I'll be using this fresh leaf of basil, red chili pepper here, tomato, fruit tomatoes fresh, and my green African plantain fresh, my oil to fry, and this is my pork neck, very delicious. So let's get started. So now I've marinated my pork neck with some garlic paste, salt, and the bouillon. I'm going to grill it in the oven now for about 30-35 minutes. So now I'm going to fry my plantains. Put in my plantain. I'll fry it for a while, then take it out again, then fry it the second time. So as you can see, now I'm going to remove the plantain. It's half fried, and then I'll take it in again. So this is the shape of my plantain, the way I cut it, and now I'm going to smash it with my own local, with an instrument that I have in my hand. You can see I'm going to press the plantain in to smash it. Wow. So just to show you how the shape, this is how the form. I've just disfigured it into this form. Then I'm going to deep fry it again the last time. Yeah, so this is the final stage of the plantains after smashing it with my instrument, and I fried the second time. This is how it looks. So now I'm frying my tomatoes. And I put in the tomatoes. So my tomato is cooking. This is the tomato sauce for the dip. So in here I'm going to put in all my spices, the bouillon, salt, and the ginger and garlic paste with the red chili pepper, and then I leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then it's ready. So now everything is finished, the fried plantain. So I'm going to fill in with the tomato sauce. This is how I do it. I just put it inside like this, and it's ready. You just take it up and you can eat. Simple. So yummy. Our dish is ready. The snack, you can see the topping of the plantain, the fried plantain. You have a tomato sauce on top and the pork neck aside with some nice avocado to eat. Hope you enjoy my video, and please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe, and for those who have not yet pressed in their notification bell, don't forget to do so that you have some new uploads every time that I'm doing a new video. And to also share to your family members, friends, and others. Thank you all for supporting always, and God bless you. Bye.